Hello guys, welcome to TechAutopsy. Today we are going to clear up one of the most common and dangerous confusion in modern tech. People casually say things like the algorithm decided, this app uses AI, or AI wrote this software. And while these phrases sound normal, they mix up three very different ideas. In this video, we are going to slow everything down and separate software, algorithm, and AI cleanly, clearly, and without hype. This is a foundation video and foundations matter. You will hear these lines everywhere in news article, YouTube video, and even inside tech teams. The algorithm decided this app uses AI, AI built this software. The problem is not that these statements are completely wrong. The problem is that they are imprecise, and imprecision creates confusion. This confusion has real consequence. It creates wrong expectation. People expect AI to think like humans. It creates wrong fear. People fear machines that don't actually exist. And it creates wrong blame. We blame AI for decisions made by humans. We will start the most familiar concept software. Before we talk about intelligence or learning, we need to understand what normal software actually is. At its core, software is simply instruction written by humans and executed by machines, nothing more. Software does not decide goals, it does not invent behavior, it only follows what we tell it to do. Traditional software has some very important characteristics. It's rule based, meaning rules are explicitly written. It's deterministic. Some input gives some output. It's predictable. Nothing surprising happens. If the input doesn't change, the output never changes. A calculator is the perfect example. You type 2 plus 2 and you get 4, always and forever. No learning, no adoption. If tomorrow it suddenly says 4, that's a bug, not intelligence. Now, inside software lives something more basic, algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a specific problem. Algorithms are about logic, not execution. Think of an algorithm like a recipe. A recipe doesn't cook food, it describes how to cook food. Or think of driving directions. They don't move the car, they describe steps. That's what algorithms are. This distinction is important. An algorithm is the logic, and software is the implementation of that logic on a machine. Blueprint versus building, idea versus execution. Algorithm exists everywhere in computing. Sorting numbers, searching data, routing traffic, compressing files. They are everywhere and they are very powerful, but they are not intelligent. This is a rule you should remember permanently. All AI uses algorithm, but not all algorithms are AI. Algorithms are a tool. AI is a way of using that tool differently. So now the real question is, if AI still uses software and still uses algorithm, what exactly makes it different? The answer lies in the behavior change. In simple terms, AI is software that adopts its behavior based on data. Instead of humans writing every rule, humans provide example and the system adjusts itself. What's the difference between AI versus traditional software? Traditional software is static and AI is adaptive. Software follows fixed rule, but AI learns behavior. Software stays the same unless humans change it. AI changes as data changes. That's the core shift. Take spam filtering example. Old software tried rules like if subject contains free, mark it as spam. AI looks thousands of email and learned patterns, word combination, timing, and structure. Things humans never explicitly coded. Now, an important clarification. When we say AI learns, we do not mean understanding. Learning here means adjusting internal parameters, reducing mistake over time based on feedback. There is no awareness involved. Despite all this, AI is still software. It's written in code, it's run on computer, it's deployed like any other system. There is no ghost in the machine. AI also relies heavily on algorithms. Algorithm for optimization, algorithm for pattern detection, algorithm for searching possibilities. The difference is how they are used. Machine learning is not separate from AI. Machine learning is a technique to build AI system. It's one way, not the only way, to make software adaptive. Here's the grounded engineering truth. AI is not magic. It is statistic combined with software. Powerful? Yes. Mysterious? No. If you remember just one thing, remember this. Software executes, algorithm defines steps, and AI adapts behavior. Three layers, three rules. That's it. Now that we have separated these concepts properly, we are ready to ask a better question. Where is AI actually used today? Not in movies, but in reality. If you like this kind of slow, foundational explanation, subscribe to TechAutopsy. We believe in understanding systems before trusting them.